Ford's Super Duty represents the top level of capability and durability among the automaker's pickup line. This year, Ford ups the power potential while strengthening style.
From the 6.2-liter standard V8 gasoline engine to the 6.7-liter optional diesel engine, the Super Duty is provided with more than enough power to tackle any job.
Each and every detail of the exterior expresses muscularity. This vehicle achieves a sporty stance when viewed from all angles. Trailer sway control comes standard on the F-250 Super Duty.
Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning.
Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. The F-250's safety canopy airbag system with roll-fold side curtain airbags ensures all-around passenger safety throughout the cabin.
The 2016 Ford F-250. It continues to dominate among full-size trucks.